upper retreat. The condition of the road up here, since the road grade down, 10 times better now. The vehicle them now can traverse the roadway a lot more easier. Our people see the sign there, Johnstone Crossing. Dig off the road and take with themselves. So my viewers and sub, big super, the upper retreat. Here with the upper retreat, and we there look on the roadway. We are look at the condition of the road up here and thing, and we just look on the gutter them we make and thing. And we are go down to the bridge. But there is a section of the road where we want to look on again. A matter of fact, two sections of the road we want to look on. We are look on Alexandra Park. The part of them take less than an hour and grade off. But they have there few much years and couldn't grade off just to alleviate the traffic. And we also are going to go down at Johnstone Crossing. We also go down at Johnstone Crossing. Go take a look upon what going down there. So stick and stay. So my viewers and sub, we're there Alexandra Park. Yeah, we're there upper retreat, and the road grade down. Yeah, the road grade down, and it just needs to mall. Just needs to mall now, and asphalt. So we just a look now on this section of the road, you know, where it seems like people have moved much better since the road grade down. You can see the vehicle have moved 10 times better now since the road grade down. And I just appeal to the motorists them. Because I see someone drive past me a while ago like you want to lick me down. Why won't have you drive? Why won't have you drive so crazy on the road? And the road don't even complete yet. I want to drive like when they are Dover. I want to drive like when they are Dover. Some Dover racetrack. And then at the day that when on the drive and reach down at the next section of the road, all of the vehicles them on the left behind you know, them there beside you know, are in front of you. That means that you not really go nowhere. You just drive like a lunatic. You understand? So I said to you, say, you drive on the road, drive with some form of understanding. I drive, you just drive like you mad because you see road. And although you hear me complain about the road, day in, day out, I go do a feature on some mad driving, you know, see I take place and expose, you know. Yeah man, seriously. I go do a feature on some of the mad driving when I see I take place on the road, and the road not complete as yet. So you just imagine when it complete. So, as me that say, the road up here grade down, and the traffic now move much better. And me give thanks to the authority when it take long. I have to cuss you know, but you still come through. So I have to lift me hat to you know, see that little piece of road I want to grade down. You understand? I want to do you a favor. Yeah. Although I want a job to really take care of the road and maintain it. But we thank you for the favor when you do it. You understand me? People them are Alexandra upper retreat. We thank you for the favor when you do it. So we're just looking at the road and it grade down up to here, so condition of the road 10 times better now. Yeah. So since we grade it down, you see it there? The vehicle them now can traverse the roadway a lot more easier. So we're heading down to Johnstone Crossing now. We're heading down to Johnstone Crossing where we see some work taking place. So stick and stay. Some viewers and sub, big super there, Johnstone Crossing. Yeah. At the beautiful square of Johnstone Crossing, and you go walk and look, and I see them come yesterday and I grade down the road. So we're going to take a look on that sign here. Sorry, nice lady, we're not disturb you here. We just have a look up on this sign here. Wow. What the sign here? Our people see the sign there, Johnstone Crossing. Big super is inside the building. Alright, nice lady, take care of yourself now, yeah? So, my viewers, some grading take place yesterday because as me did feature the road here and show you now that the gully them not complete. The drain them not complete. The gully them not complete. My viewers and subscribers. And give thanks. We see a hydrant. This is a good sign. That is a sign of hope. If you have any fire, you know it go. When you have a hydrant, it make a lot of difference. So yesterday them sent a team out here. Yeah. With graders and rollers and thing, and it's a good look when you send a team because at least this is you think about the road, you know, so one of the manual cover them there will lift up people. You can see it. Yeah, so them send a team out here and we will look and inspect the work and look for what go on out here from Johnstone Crossing to Lyssons. So we're up on the ground and then big up most of down there, so, but me don't want to up here, so them not plan to grade after the whole stretch of that road I forgot to dig up, you know. They don't see that. Where the let us suffer? You tell me. Why you leave out here, so? Eh? The whole stretch of the road there need to grade out. To grade. Yeah. The whole of here is stay bad. And the whole stretch of the road there need to grade. So I don't know why them would have, I don't know. Maybe it was on sub. Yeah. So we're heading down the road here because we are looking at the roadway and we are give you update on the road condition and thing. And we taught the team with the roller what we see yesterday and the grade and everything and the excitement. Wow. afraid of. Not afraid of. Funny out.
Big super.
Me thought them did come to really sort out the part of the road there. I don't get it. I don't know. The viewers and so, but you can update me. I don't really understand what's going on. Come here look to see the whole of this clear off. This morning I walk past and all me see, and when I look way down in the distance, I see some work take place down there, so right in front of the jerk center. You know, see no grading, you know, see no nothing. So I don't know what kind of tree card thing this. So, when you can full up the comment section and make me know what really go on. Yeah. When you can make me know what really go on out here, my viewers and sub. Because I thought yesterday when I see the team, red flag and everything, I see people stop traffic and I see roller. I thought them come to sort out that part of the road here. Well, fortunately, it look like they just come to just show them face and take with them body. Anyhow, the road saga continue. Big Super is out here looking at it, looking at the roadway and the road condition and the drains them, the gully them, the gutter, sidewalk. None of them things that alright. None of them things are not complete. And you still hear them talk about a second phase to go Port Marant. Why may I tell you, when them don't need the Jamaican people. So basically, my viewers and so are right in that vicinity here. Yeah. Right in this vicinity here, so them basically come dig off. They're not really going no further than here, so then just come right in that vicinity here. Dig off the road and take with themselves. So we just give an update on what go on. Then you know them have a mountain, the whole of yesterday that sink and all type of things are going on. And the viewers and so. We here to come to tell you that the excitement that I see going on yesterday, nothing really much not take place. You see that? Yeah, so I hope that one of them warm up to come back soon. So like, share, subscribe people with the right at Jerk Center. Turn on your post notification bell. You understand? Just give the video the old thumbs up. And think Big Super. Make the look a walk along the road to make you guys see exactly how many tax dollars I spend. Peace out.